So we got a special surprise as part of an influencer activation. So we got this free, and the kids don't know what it is yet. So we're gonna open it and see what it is. A little early holiday thing.
Oh my gosh, it's a Furby!
It's a Furby Connect. So it's a lot more advanced than the Furbies when I was growing up. Let's take it out and see. So batteries are not included. You need 4 AA's. Oh, there it is. Feel how soft it is.
Oh my gosh.
Look at.
Don't make the ears.
Yeah.
Okay, what does that do?
That's its antenna. So when we turn it on, it'll probably light up. And it also, I wish they had this feature when we were younger. Sleep mask. So that'll be nice when it gets a little
Sleep
frustrating.
mask?
Yeah, so we can put a sleep mask on it. So we are going to be.
What's this?
Right.
What's this?
That's so you can feel what color it is. So we get to test this out as like an early holiday thing, but you guys can still grab yours. It's available for the holiday season. And then we're going to be testing this out this week. And then Friday at 11 a.m. Central Time, I'll be doing a Facebook Live and sharing our favorite features and stuff about the Furby. So be sure you check back with that. So see you guys. Say bye.
Bye.